Let me tell you something that might change the way you see everything. This life, it's yours. No matter how broken you feel, no matter how lost you've been, no matter how many times you've had to start over, rebuild from the ashes, or wipe your own tears in silence, you're still here, you're still breathing, and that means there's still time. Time to turn things around, time to walk away from what's breaking you, time to rewrite your story, not for anyone else, but for you. You don't have to have it all figured out. You don't need everyone's approval. You just need to decide right now that you're done waiting for permission, done shrinking for others, done doubting your worth, done settling for almost and maybe someday. Because greatness doesn't arrive on your doorstep with a bow. You build it with discipline, with pain, with focus, with sacrifice. You build it by showing up on the days when motivation is gone and only purpose remains. So stand up, straighten your back, breathe in deep, and remind yourself, I wasn't made to stay broken. This life is mine, and I'm going to live it all the way to the edge, fully, loudly, unapologetically. Let them watch.